First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, before getting into the video of Target-100 series, so I just want to say two quick information. So the first is the test series. So do not forget, each and every student, those who are preparing for the bank exams, any bank exam, do not forget to purchase the test series on my website or my mobile application. It is only 99 rupees. You can able to write all the test series which is inside the package. Do not forget to buy it immediately, because anytime the price might be increased. Now it is only 99. Do not forget to buy the test series, the first thing. And the second, where you can able to get the complete videos of Feel Free to Learn, what I posted on my YouTube channel in an offline mode. We copy all the videos and give it to you in the form of pen drive. So you can able to watch all my videos in an offline mode. Do not forget to WhatsApp us. Our team will tell you the details. So friends, at last, this is one of the most important series video, that is Target-100. Definitely those who are preparing for the bank exams, it can be any, it can be RRB clerk, RRB PO, it can be any bank exam. Do not forget to watch all the videos of Target-100. So now starting from the first video, and just play the video, right? Just play the video. Take a note and simultaneously you too try to solve the question. Within 1 hour or within 2 hours, you can solve 100 questions. A perfect revision video. Do not forget to watch all my Target-100 series, those who are preparing for the bank exams. And test series and videos, never forget it. So now let me get into the video of Target-100. So friends, now in this video we will be solving next set of 5 data interpretation question on part 2 on Target-100 series, right? So in part number 1, we have solved initially the 5 sets, set 1 to set 5, where most of the questions that is based on x is what percentage of y, or x is what percentage more or less than y. Because those kinds of questions, there are many chance of making a mistake. So I have taught you what is the small technique to write in a proper way. If it is x is what percentage more, or x is what percentage less when compared to y. So these kinds of questions we have seen in the first part of DA. So here is the second part of DA, where we will be solving another set of 5 questions, right? So first set, that is set number 6, where you can able to see they have given a pie chart and the table chart. So total number of employees were 3250, and the pie chart values are in terms of degree, not in terms of percentages. So 50.4 degree, 136.8 degree and 36 degree. So all the pie chart values are in degree, and the table chart they have given men and women ratio. So interesting question. So one important thing to solve this question is there are many different ways to solve a question if the values are given in degree. Some students, what they used to do is they convert all the degree value initially into percentage, and then they will solve a question. That is one way of solving. And another way of solving is initially, without solving all these 5 questions, some students, what they used to do is they find all the departments how many men are working, all the departments how many women are working. So after finding all the men and all the women, and then they start solving the question from 1. So it is your wish, but remember one thing. In the question, if they ask, for example, I am saying, in the question, if they ask us to find what is the total number of women working in all the departments, it will surely make you 2 to 3 minutes of time to solve the question for a beginner as well as for an intermediate student, because there is no shortcut. Because for every value you have to find, for 3250 you have to find how many people are working in accountant department, and in that accountant department you have to find how many females are working. For finding that alone, it might take 15 seconds. So for each value 15 seconds, definitely it might take you 2 minutes to solve these kinds of questions. Not all the questions, some question that is based upon this chart might take you that much of time. So be careful. So if you need to manage your time in the prelims exam, the bank, if they ask a same kind of question in the mains exam, so you can solve it in 2 minutes or 3 minutes based upon your speed. But the same question, if they are asked in the prelims exam, do not solve it, because it might take you a longer time, right? 2 minutes or 3 minutes. But there are some techniques where you can apply the technique where you can able to find most of the solution by writing in a single step. I will tell you how to find it. So first question, what is the number of men working in the marketing department? Okay. So we need to find only in the marketing department how many men are working, right? So first, marketing department, how many degree, what is the degree value? 79.2 degree of people are working in marketing department. In order to remove the degree, so divided by 360, right? So into, so what is the total number of employees? 3250. You don't want to find how many people are working initially in marketing, and then after finding the answer you don't want to find men. You just directly multiply here itself. So in the table chart, marketing department, men is in the ratio 3, total will be 5. That's it. So if you write it in a single step, solving a question will be easy. Just like that, you can cancel the values. See, 0, 0, you can cancel it. So you can cancel 1 3s are 3. 12 3s are 36, right? So now you can cancel it. So 6 5s are 30, remaining will be 2. 6 5s are again 25, 5 5s are 25. So this will be 6 times 0.6 times, so 65 into 6.5, 65 into 6.6, 6 5s are 30, so remaining will be 3 here. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3, so 34, 9 times 30, 36, 429. So 429, right? The total will be 429. So 429 where the total number of men working in the marketing department. So friends, understood or not, right? So this is one of the easy way to solve the question, and some students what they used to do is they convert this 79.2 degree, right? 79.2 degree into a percentage value. I've seen students doing this. Yes, you can convert into a percentage value, and then after finding a percentage value for this 3250, you can find what is the percentage, and then you can find the men. That is your wish. Everything is your wish, because different teachers will teach you this DA in a different methods. But make sure you have to solve each and every question within 30 seconds. That is your target, right? If you can able to solve the question in 30 seconds, then you can go with any of the methods. So answer for first question is 429, right? Okay, so what is the second question? So what is the respective ratio between the number of women working in HR department and number of men working in IT department? Just see here, we have to find the total number of women working in HR department, ratio. So don't do one thing. Initially I've seen students finding HR department women separately the answer and men separately the answer. After that they used to find the ratio. Don't do that. It's time waste actually. Do one thing. I will teach you the easiest way. Write in a single step, right? So respect number of women working in HR department. So HR will be 36 divided by 360, right, into 3250, and we have to find women in HR women will be 13 by 25. So ratio, right? Don't find the answer separately. Write like this. So next will be men, right? So men in IT department. So IT department men 57.6 divided by 360 into 3250. So into IT men will be 7. So 7 divided by 10. So now see, it will be easy. You can cancel 3250, 3250. So similarly, you can cancel 360 and 360 here. Easy or not, right? So cancel it on 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Cancel it on 5 table, 5 2s are 10. So now what you can do is, okay, so what are all the remaining values that we have? 36 into 13 divided by 5, a ratio. So this can be written as 7 by 10 into 7 by 2. Yes or no, right? So removing the decimal point divided by 10. Again cancel it. 2 times 2 into 2 will be 4. So bring the 4 towards left hand side. So this will be 576 into 7 into 4 here. So now cancel it. So 36 times this will be 16. So 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 13 is to 28. That's it. So the ratio of the given for the given value will be 13:20. That's it. Easy or not? It's actually very easy. Just see, not a huge calculation, not a huge addition or subtraction here. But I have seen students, what they used to do is they used to find the answer for it, women separately and then men separately. After finding both the answer, they try to find the ratio. Don't do that. It's time waste. So if you write in a single step, we can cancel 3250, we can cancel 360, and we will get only smaller numbers. And then cancellation part seems to be very easy. So friends, understood? So this will be the answer, that is 13:28 will be the answer, that is ratio for the given question, right? So very easy. So what is the, that's what I said, right? When you proceed in this way, most of the questions you can solve within 30 seconds. If you practice more, then you don't want to write the 3250. You already know we are going to cancel it. So most probably we don't want to write all those values, right? So third question, the number of men working in the production department forms what percentage of total number of employee working in the department? Just see here. So the number of men working in the production department is what percentage? So x by y into 100. So numerator will be men working in the production department. So production department 136.8 divided by 360 into 3250, and we have to find for men. Its production men will be 4 part. Total part is 5. So totally divided by, see how easy it is. You don't want to find the answer separately. So divided by the total number of employees working in the same department. So in the same department production, the total number of employee working will be 136.8 degree into 3250 into 100. So yes or no, right? So this will be the production department total number of men working. So this will be the total number of employee working in production department. So we can cancel this part. That's it. So answer for this question will be 80%, right? Easy or not, right? If you find this answer separately, it's completely waste of time. So just like that, you know the formula. The formula is what percentage formula? X by y into 100. The numerator will be men and denominator will be total. So write all the values and then we get 136.8 by 360, 136.8 by 360, 3250. So we can cancel it, remaining will be 4 by 5. So after cancelling, you will get 80% is the answer for question number 3. Right? So very easy. So next question. The number of men working in IT department of the organization forms what percentage? Again, the question seems to be what percentage? What percentage? Not more or less. If it is more or less, the formula may vary. Only what percentage? So x by y into 100. So number of women working in IT department. So IT department, the total will be 57.6 divided by 360 into 3250. So into IT department women. So IT department women will be 3 by 10. Right? So forms what percentage of total number of employees in the organization from all the departments together? An organization and all the departments together, right? So divided by the total number of employees in all the organization. So in the chart they have given 3250 is the total number of employees in the total organization, and the numerator will be in the female, that is for IT department, right? So here you can cancel 3250. So similarly, what are all the remaining values that we have is we can cancel 1 3s are 3. So this becomes 120, right? So 0 0, you can cancel 2 zeros here. So remaining will be 576.6 divided by 12. That's it. No other values. Okay. So this can be taken as 12 4s are 48. 9 times, no, 8 times 4.8. That's it. 4.8%. Not an approximate value, exact value, right? So we can say that answer for this question is 4.8%. So which will be the answer for question number 4. Right? Very easy. Again, that's what I'm repeatedly saying. converting degree value in percentage is not needed here, because just like that you can remove the degree by writing divided by 360. You can able to find the answer, right? So most of the question that is based on degree do not convert into percentage. I will tell you where you should convert into percentage for solving the question easily. If there is only one pie chart has been given, so there if one value is not given, for example, if a pie chart, so many values they usually give in terms of degree and one value will be missing, right? So in those cases converting into percentage will be easy for solving all the 5 questions. That's what I'm saying. But for every question you don't want to convert degree value into percentages, right? So just look at the last question. What is the total number of men working in the organization? The problem is these kinds of questions will create a problem in this DA. Why? Because you have to find what is the total number of men working in all the departments. So for IT you have to find separately, because all the values, degree values as well as the ratio values are different. So definitely these kinds of questions might take you 2 minutes of time. So better do not solve this question in the prelims exam. Right? So most important, if you have an extra time then you can solve, or else do not solve this 5th question. Why? Because it might take your time. If you know the shortcuts, I think there is no shortcut here. In case if you know the shortcut you can solve, but do not solve the question for more than 2 minutes. It's completely time waste. And one importantly, in the first question, in the DA first question itself, we found the answer 429. So 429 is the total number of men who are working in the marketing department. So one answer we found. So only the remaining 4 departments we have, you have to find the men for all the 4 departments and then you have to find and the total, right? So I think answer will be 2147. I think so. This is the answer for this question. So try and check whether you are getting the answer or not, right? So 2147 is the answer. So this will be the answer, right? So 429 we have already found for the first question itself. So only remaining 4 values are remaining. So try to find and try to check whether you are getting this answer, right? So mostly I would recommend not to solve these kinds of question. That is last type of question in the prelims exam. In the if you have same question in the mains exam, yes, you can solve. Definitely you should solve and you should not miss all those cases, but in the prelims exam do not solve these kinds of questions. So these are the answers will be for set number 6 DA. So set number 7 DA. So percentage of tickets sold by the different theatres on Friday, where the total number of tickets sold will be 850. So here they have given a pie chart and looks like easy because they have given all the values in terms of percentages. So the Friday total number of tickets were sold is 850. So out of 850, so there are different theatres A, B, C, D, E, and some parts of tickets has been separated into different theatres has been in terms of percentage. The value has been given in terms of percentages, right? So first question, so what is the difference between the total number of tickets sold by A and D together and then sold by theatre B and C together? So very easy, our target is to find just a difference between 2 theatres and another 2 theatres, right? So first 2 theatres will be A and D. So A and D is how much? So A will be 20, D will be 30. So total will be 50%. So 50% of the total ticket, which is 850, right? Is 850. So difference of, so next will be B and C. So B and C. So B will be 16, C will be 20, so 40%. So 40% of 850, right? So here either you can find the answer separately or else, because both the values are same, right? 850, 850, it is common. So what you can do is 50%, 40%. What is the difference here? 10%. So 10% of 850 will be 85. So answer for this question is 85. So easy or not, right? Very easy. So just use a small technique to find the answer. Instead of writing in 2 or 3 steps, you can find the answer just like that in a single step. Because 850 is common, right? Only the difference is 50% and 40%. So 50 and 40, the difference is only 10. So 10% of 850, which is 85. Or else you can find what is 50% of 850, which will be 425, right? So 40% of 850, 32, 36. So 360. So and then if you find a difference, the answer will be 340, right? 340. So again it will be 85. Either way, right? Either way you can find the answer, but make sure to solve the question little bit fastly, right? So answer for the first question will be 85. Okay, so what is the second question? So the number of tickets sold by Theatre B on Saturday was 32 more than that of number of tickets sold on Friday. Okay, so number of tickets sold by Theatre E on Saturday was 59 more than the number of tickets sold on Friday. So what is the respective ratio between the tickets sold by B and E on Saturday? So the question seems to be like very lengthy, but it is an easy process, right? So why? Because what they are saying is, so Theatre B Saturday was 32 more than the ticket that was sold on Friday. Just add 32, that's it. So similarly in the next step, add 59. So easy way. First what we can do is Friday, right? So Friday, what is the ticket sold by Theatre B? So Theatre B is how much? 16%. First find what is 16% for 850. So 850 16%. So 10% will be 85. So 8.5 will be 1. 6 5s are 33. 8 6 are 48. 49 50 51. So 6 13. So 136. So 136 will be the total number of tickets that was sold on Theatre B, that is on Friday. So now according to the question, on Saturday where 32 tickets more were sold. So add just 32 here. If you add 32, 168, that's it. So 168 will be the total number of tickets that was sold on Saturday by Theatre B. So similarly for Theatre E, right? So Theatre E is 10%. So 10% of tickets sold. So out of 850, 10% will be 85. So now according to the question, on Saturday, where how much ticket more were sold? 59 more. So just add 59. So this will be 14 1. So 5 and 14, 144. So 144 will be the total tickets that was sold on Saturday by Theatre E. So 144. So now what is our target? Our target is to find the ratio. So finding a ratio 144, 12 times 24 times, right? If you go with 24 times, 6 4s are 24 to 12, 14. 6 times this will be 6 times 7 times. 7 is to 6. Or else either you can cancel it by 2 table, right? You will get some point, you will get 7 is to 6. So 7 is to 6 will be the answer for question number 2. The question seems to be like very lengthy thing and looks like a difficult, but it is not actually difficult. Just we need to find the tickets that was sold on Friday, and you have to add 32 more. That is on Saturday. Similarly 59 more. That is on Saturday for the second theatre. That's it, right? So by seeing a question, don't decide it is difficult. Most of the students used to do. By just seeing 4 or 5 lines in DA, they think that it is very difficult. But in the previous DA, we have seen one question, find the total number of men in all departments. The question looks very smaller, but the finding an answer takes you 2 minutes, right? So it doesn't, you should not decide by just seeing the question, 3 to 4 lines they have given a question, so the question is difficult. No, not like that, right? So question number 3, if the total number of tickets sold by all the theatres together on Friday was 70% more. So it will be 170. Okay, I will tell you later on. So 70% more than sold on Thursday. So what is the total number of tickets sold on theatres together on Thursday? So when just see here, what they are saying is, if the total number of tickets sold by all the theatres on Friday was 70% more. So already we know that on Friday, that is total number of ticket was 850. So when compared to Thursday, what they are saying is Friday ticket sold is 170% more. So this 850 will be 170%. Yes or no? Because 70% more from Thursday. So our target is to find what is the total ticket that was sold on Thursday. So 100%. So X is equal to 850 into 100 divided by 170, 5 times. So X is equal to 500. So which means the total number of ticket that was sold on Thursday will be 500. So it's understood or not what they are saying, right? So on Friday, they have sold 850 ticket. When compared to Thursday, this was Friday ticket sold, right? So what they are saying is, when compared to Thursday, this Friday sold 70% ticket more. So in Thursday it will be 70% ticket less has been sold when compared to Friday. That's it, the concept. Or else you can take Friday will be 170%, Thursday will be 100%. So I have solved it and I have found the answer is 500. Right? So which will be the answer for question number 3. So next, what is the central angle corresponding to the number of ticket sold by B? So the B is how much percentage? 16%, but we need to find in terms of central angle. Central angle is nothing but we have to convert in terms of degree. So this 16%, we have to convert the value in terms of degree, right? Some point we have to convert what they are saying. What is the central angle? Yes, we have to convert in terms of degree. So easy thing is we know, right, 100% is equals to the full circle, which is 360 degree. Yes or no? 100% will be 360 degree. So we have to find 16% is how much degree. That's it. So now cross multiply it. So x is equal to 360 into 16 divided by 100. Yes. So x is equals to cancel 0, 0 here. 36 into 16. 36, 63 are 18. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6, 24. 27, 5. That's it. 57.6 degree. So when you multiply both the numbers, 576 divided by 10 will be 57.6. So finally we can say that the x will be 57.6 degree. That means the 16%, if you convert into 1 degree, then the answer will be 57.6 degree. Understood, right? So easy. This is the one important thing that you need to know in order to convert not only percentage into degree. If you want to convert degree in terms of percentages, for example, 360 is equal to 100%. If you want to find 57.6 degree is equal to how much percentage? And again, if you cross multiply it, you will get the answer 16%. So one easy step to convert degree into percentage or percentage into degree, right? So which will be the answer for question number 4, which is 57.6 degree, right? So next question, out of the number of tickets sold by theatre C, 5 by 12 were purchased by females, and out of the number of tickets sold by theatre D, 1 by 7 were purchased by females. So what was the total number of tickets produced by female from the theatre C and D? So again the question looks very lengthy, but the process is very easy because we have to find initially what is the ticket that was sold by theatre C. So theatre C, how much tickets have sold? 24%. So 24% of 850. So this was the tickets that was sold by theatre C. And out of this ticket, right, how much ticket were got by female? 5 by 12. So into 5 by 12, that's it, right? So 24 divided by 100 into 850 into 5 by 12. So now it will be easy, right? 2 times. So cancel 0, 0 here. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Cancel 2 and 2. So finally we have only 85. So 85 will be the total number of tickets that was got by the females, right? And similarly the second part for theatre D. So theatre D is how much? So 30%. So 30% of 850. So into 1 by 17. So 1 by 17 will be the total number of females who purchased the ticket on theatre D. So now cancel it 0, 0 here. Cancel percentages. So 17, 5 times 5, 5 times 15. So 15 tickets, the total number of 15 tickets have been purchased on theatre D, that is on female. So our target is to find the total. So 85 plus 15 will be 100. So totally 100 tickets were purchased by female on 2 theatres, that is C and D together. So which will be the answer for 5th question, right? So very easy and interesting question. So most of the cases you have to save your time to solve the question. That's what I have taught you. First question, second question, even in most of the questions they have taught you what is the easy way to find the answer without writing in a lengthy steps, right? Instead of writing 4 to 5 steps, you can able to find the answer within 1 step. That's the first question I have taught you. What is the difference? So apply those techniques to solve most of the DA in the prelims exam. So it will be easy to crack, right? Within 3 minutes, you can able to get 5 marks in the exam. So these are the answers for question number, that is set number 7. So set number 8, data interpretation. So the number of visitors in 5 library during 5 given days. So it's based upon a table chart based on the number of people visiting a library in a different days, right? So 5 days has been given, Monday to Friday, and all the values are directly given in terms of numbers, right? 121, 155, 123, etc., right? Okay, so now let me move on to the questions that is based upon this table chart. So number of visitors in library B increased by 20% from Friday to Saturday. So 20% increase, right? First let me see in Friday, what is the total number of visitors of library B? So library B, Friday is 155. So out of this 155, so how much percentage has been increased? Just see here, 20%. So which means 120% increase, right? So 120% by 100, cancel 0, 0 here. So cancel it on 5 table, 5 3s are 31, 2 times 6 2s are 12, so 6, 18, 186. So 186 will be the total number of visitors on the library, that is on Saturday, right? Yes, 20% increase from Friday to Saturday. So Friday is 155, 20% increase, so 120%, which is 186. In case you can also write like this, 155, right? So 155, just find what is 20%. 10% will be 15.5, 20% will be 31. So if you add 31 here, 186, you will get the same answer, right? So either find what is 20% and add with 155, or else you can directly find what is 120%. Either way, you will get the same answer. So what is the next step? So, and that of visitors in library E. So library E is decreased by 40%. So our target is to find the total number of visitors on Saturday, right? So here on Friday, that is on library, which library it is? Library B, 20% increase, and the library E, 40% decrease. So 40% decrease will be 60%, right? So library E, how much people were coming? 140. So 140. So out of 140, just find what is 60%. So 60 by 100, 0, 0 here. So 6 4s are 24 to 84. So 84 will be the total number of visitors on Saturday. So now our target is to find the total. So let me find the total 10, 1, 16 and 17, 270. So 270 will be the total number of visitors that is on Saturday on two library, on library E and library B. So when understood or not, right? So either you find, there is another way also, you can find what is 40% of 140 and then you have to subtract with 140. That is one way. So instead of doing it, we already know that 40% decrease. So if there is 40% decrease, then 60% of people are coming on Saturday. So just like that, I found what is 60%, which is 84. So now our target is to find the total. So add 186 and 84. So 270, right? So every time I forget to take this duster. Okay. So what is the second question? So what is the respective ratio between the total number of visitors in library B and D together on Monday and library A and E together on Saturday? So we have to find what is the ratio, and that to not increase, decrease, nothing. We have to just like that add the value given on the chart. So and we have to find the ratio. That's it. Very simple. So now what is the respective ratio between number of visitors in library B and D? So B and D 91, right? So next will be D. So D will be 125. So a ratio to that of the second chart, 157 plus E, 155. Yes, so now we have to add it. So 5 plus 1, 6, 9, 11, 1, 2, 16, 216 ratio, 7, 1, 10, 1, 1, so 312. 216 is to 312. So, but our target is to find the complete ratio value. Okay, we can cancel it on 2 table 108. So cancel it on 2 table, 1 2s are 2. So 5 2s are 10. Again 1, 6 2s are 12. I think we can cancel directly on 24 table, right? So 24, 13. So 9 is to 13, or else you can cancel it on 12 table here. If you cancel it on 12 table 9 times, 12 table 13 times, it's your wish, right? So only after seeing 312, I know 312 will be cancelled by 13 table, 24 into 13 will be 312, so I was just checking 216, so it is also cancelling by 24 table, so 24 into 9, 216, 24 into 13, 312, right? So answer for this question will be 9 is to 13, so which is the answer for question number 2. So easy, because we just like that, we by looking at the chart we have to add all the values and we need to find the ratio. Okay. So what is the third question? So what is the average number of visitors in library C on Monday, Thursday and Friday? So we have to find the average. So on library C, so library C Monday will be 151, Thursday will be 80 and Friday will be 123. So 123 and 80, so we have to add 4, 10, 15, 1, 354. So we have to find the average. So for 3 days divided by 3. So 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 24. So 118. So 118 will be the average for the number of visitors on the library for the given library, that is for library C on Monday, Thursday and Friday. So easy question. So 118. Okay. So next question, what is the difference between the total number of visitors in library A and D together on Thursday? So Thursday A and D. So Thursday A and D will be 150. Thursday A and D. Visitors in library A together on Tuesday, that of the Wednesday. Sorry, Tuesday A and D. Tuesday A and D will be 98, 113. 98, 113, right? So similarly, we have to find the difference. Just difference of the second C and E on Wednesday. So C 141, 141, 183. 141, 183. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 9, 10, 11, 1, 212. So similarly 4, 324. Right? We have to find the difference. Okay. 88, 113, 144, 183. $141, 183, 98, 113. What is the difference between? Okay, so we need to find the difference. So 324, 212. So 112 is the difference, right? And that in the C and D together. Okay, so I'm getting this answer. I don't know whether I'm right or wrong. Okay, so answer for this question is 112. So kindly check this alone, because in the answer they have given us 113, but I'm getting answer as 112. Okay, so let me keep the answer as 112. Please cross check with the answer, because the answer they have given is 113. Okay, so next question. I think I didn't make any mistakes here. Okay, so next question, the number of visitors on library B decreased by what percentage? Just see here, important question. Fifth question, what they are saying is number of visitors in library B decreased by what percentage? Just see, we need to find decreased percentage, right? Decreased percentage. If it is a decreased percentage, then the numerator value we need to get in terms of negative. Got it? So percentage from Tuesday to Thursday. Okay, so B on Tuesday is how much? 180. Thursday is how much? 92. If you write 180 minus 92, for example, I am saying, if you write 180 minus 92, then the numerator value we will get as positive. But we have to find the decreased percentage in terms of negative. So you have to write 92 minus 180 divided by 180 into 100. Got it? So this will be 88 divided by 180 into 100, 0, 0. So 880 divided by 18. 4 times 1 Approximately 48, right? So, but they didn't ask you the approximate percentage. So 18. We are getting the exact answer, right? That's it. 48.9 percentage, right? So if it is an approximate percentage, we can stop here itself, but they didn't ask you the approximate percentage. So 48.9 percentage will be the answer for question number 5. So only this area is important. I have seen many students making a mistake on this part. If it is an increased percentage, then you have to write 180 minus 92 by 92 into 100. But here they have asked what is the decreased percentage. If it is a decreased percentage, then the numerator should be minus. We have to get in terms of minus. So 92 minus 180, when you subtract this, you will get the answer in terms of negative. So we will get in the answer will be in the form of decreased percentage, right? So this will be the answers for set number 8. Only one question I have a doubt on the fourth question. We got 112, right? But the answer they have given is 113. So please cross check that alone. So this will be the answers for set number 8 DI. So set number 9, data interpretation. So here they have given a bar chart. So inside the bar graph there you can able to see 2 bars. So with different color, the first bar indicates the students who are attending the max class on 4 schools, and second graph will be the total number of students who are attending the science class on 4 different schools. Okay, so and all the values are directly given at the top, so it is easy to find. So what is the first question? What is the average number of students who attend the max class taking all the schools together? So our target is to find the average number of students who are attending the max class. That's it. Easy. Just add all the values that I have given in the first bar. So 80 plus 60, 1. Yes, that is for max. Yes, that is for max. So 140, 140 plus 20 will be 260. 260 plus 100 will be 360. And our target is to find the average. So 360, totally 4 schools. So 360 by 4 is 90. So answer for the first question is 90. Okay, second question, what is the average number of students who attended the science class taking all the schools together? So now it is for science. I don't know, easy, right? So 140 plus 80, 220. So 220, 320, 420, 440. So 440 divided by 5. Again, 5 schools are there. So 440 divided by 4. Sorry, not 5 schools. It's only 4 schools we have. So 110. Easy, right? So this will be 360 and this will be 440. So 440 divided by 4 that we got. So 360 divided by 4 we got 90. So third question, the respective ratio between the total number of students of max and science in school W and X in respectively. So we have to find the ratio between max and science in some particular schools, right? So max and science in W. Right, so 140 will be max and science, so in school W, and in school X max and science, so 120 100 will be 220. So now we have to find 7:11. That's it. So 7. So fourth question, by what percentage is the total number of students of school Y more than that of school W? Just see here, what percentage more, right? What percentage more, or else what percentage increase? Both are same. In the previous video, not previous video, in the previous set it was like what percentage decrease. So there what I have told you, in the numerator when you subtract 2 values, the resultant answer should be negative, only then it is a decreased percentage. But here when you subtract both the value, the numerator should be positive, only then we can say it will be what percentage more, right? So now what they are saying is school Y more than that of school W. So school Y is how much? 120, 100 will be 220. So 220 will be school Y and school W will be 140. So minus of 140 divided by 140 into 100. So friends, understood or not? So now this will be 60, 80. 80 by 140 into 100. Just see here, only if you subtract both the value, the resultant will be positive. So if you are getting an answer in positive, then it is percentage more. In case if it is percentage less, then 140 should be written here, 220 should be written there. Only then you will get in the answer in terms of negative. Got it? So now 0, 0, we can cancel it. So again 800. So 800 divided by 14. 5 times 70, so 100. 7 times, it's not an approximate value because we are getting in terms of some decimal point. So we can stop here and we can say answer will be 57%, right? So 57% approximately. So based upon the options, right? Based upon the option, we can say this will be the answer. Got it? So next question. So what is the respective ratio between the total number of okay. So what is the respective ratio between the total number of maths and science taking all the schools together? So we need to find the ratio separately for maths and science. I think in the first question we have found the total number of students who are taking maths is 360 and those who are taking science will be 440. Just we need to find the ratio. That's it, 0, 0. Cancel it on 4 table. 9 4s are 36 and 11. 9 is to 11. That's it. So this will be the answer for set number 9. All the questions are easy except this question. If you already watched many of my videos, and definitely this too will also be easy for you, right? So these are the answers for question number, that is set number 9 DI. So the last 10th set, data interpretation. So here the monthly expenditure of a boy is 8,500. So out of that they have given a pie chart. So traveling is 13%, books 15%. So fees is 31%. So what they are saying is the total expenditure is 8,500. So out of that expenditure, where he spends traveling 13%. So all the expense has been given, right? So interesting chart, and let me move on to the first question. So the boy deposits 75% of savings in the bank. So what is the amount that he left with him after depositing money from his savings? So friends, first try to understand the question properly, right? Because what they are saying is the boy deposits 75% of savings in the bank. So first we don't know what is the savings amount because his expenditure is 8,500. Out of that 8,500, just listen here, out of this 8,500, first we have to find what is the savings amount. Savings amount is how much? 8%. So 8 divided by 100. So out of this savings amount, what he totally have, he is depositing 75% into the bank. Then the remaining will be 25%. So we have to find what is that 25%. So 25 by 100. So friends, understood or not? Don't write 75 here. That is wrong. Why? Because he is depositing 75% into the bank. But our target is to find the amount that was left with him. So after depositing 75%, he will have 25% of the amount. So we have to find what is that remaining amount left with him, which is 25%. So now we have to, so we can cancel, this will be 4 times. So this will be 2 times 0, 0 here, 170, because we have only 85 into 2 is remaining. So 170. So 170 will be the answer for question number 1. So friends, understood or not, right? So most important part, and many students will get confused. They will find 75 here. No, if you find 75, that is wrong. If you find 75, you will get the answer that what is the amount he deposited in the bank. But our target is to find after he depositing 75%, the remaining amount that what he have is how much. That is the question they are asking. So after 75% deposition, then the remaining 25% will be there. So that 25% we have to find from the savings amount. So 170. So again, okay. So next question. If 20% of other expense of the boy is on mobile phone, 70% on smoking, and remaining on gambling, then what is the amount he spends on smoking and gambling together? Okay, so what they are saying is 20% of the other expense of the boy is on mobile phone. First, let me see what is the other expense of the boy, right? So other expense is how much? 14%. So out of 8,500, the other expense will be 14%, which is 14 by 100, right? So into, and remember here the most important part, 20% of other expense he spent on mobile phone, right? So 20% he spends on mobile phone, and then 70% he spends on what? So yes, 70% he spends on smoking. I think this is the bad boy, I think so, right? He is spending 70% of money on smoking. Okay. So remaining on gambling. So what is the remaining? 70. So remaining will be 10%, right? Because 70, 20 will be 90. So remaining 10% will be on gambling. So now our target is to find what is the amount he spends on smoking and gambling together. So not on mobile phone. So smoking is 70, gambling is 10. So totally the remaining he is spending 80% of amount on smoking and gambling. So we have to find 0, 0 here, 0, 0. So 0, 0. So cancel it on 2 table 5 times, cancelling on 2 table 4 times. So 1 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35. So 17 into 56. Okay, so 56 into 17, 42 4, 35, 41, 952. Yes, 952. So 952 will be the total amount that he was spending on smoking and gambling, right? So kindly don't be a boy like this, right? So enjoy your life without these two things. Okay, so sorry, a small advice. So just spend out time with your friends or family, right? That will be more enjoyable than this. So finally, answer for question number 2 will be 952. So that's it, friend. This is the most important area, right? Many students will make it wrong to solve this part. So why? Because they are saying 20% of other expense on mobile. So 70% will be on smoking. So 70 plus 20 will be 90. So still 10 more percentage go. That 10 more percentage he spends on gambling. So our target is to find what is the total amount he spends on smoking and gambling. So 70 plus 10 will be 80. So that's what I find. What is 80% of other expense? So which is 952, right? Third question. So what is the difference between the boy total expenditure on books and food together and that of expenditure on fees? So just we have to find the difference, right? What is the difference between boy expenditure, books and food? So books is how much? 15%. So food is how much? 19%. So 19, and the difference of, so we need to find what is the difference of fees. Okay, so fees is how much? 31%. So 31% we need to find the difference. So this will be 20, 34. So 34%, difference 31% will be 3%. So 3% of the total expense 8,500, right? So we need to find what is 3%. So 85 into 3. So 85 into 3, 15, 1, 255. So 255 will be the difference between the total boy expenditure for the given thing, right? So for books and the food, expense of fees, the difference will be 255. So which is the answer for question number 3. You don't want to find separately every value, just directly add the percentage and then directly find the difference in the percentage itself, and by the final answer you can find what is that percentage for 8,500. So fourth question, what is the boy average expenditure on traveling, books, fees and food together? Okay, so traveling is how much? 13%, right? So 13% is traveling. Books is how much? 15. Fees is how much? 31. And Fees and food is how much? 19. Okay, so all these are in percentages and we have to find the average. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for the 4 things, right? Traveling, books, fees and food. So we need to find what is the boys' average expenditure. Okay. So 9, 1, 10. This will be 18, right? So remaining will be 1. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 78. So it goes on, right? But they didn't give you an approximate value. So, but based upon the option 1657 approximately, right? So based upon the options, we can say the answer will be like, if you still go on, it will be ended because it is not an because it will be like, next will be 5 times, that's in 0 times, 0.50. So this will be the answer. Or else based upon the options, you can stop within 3 values, right? If there is any option nearer to it, then you can say 1657 will be the answer for question number 4, right? So here you can't able to use any shortcut here because I tried to use any shortcut, but there is no possible, right? Why? Because we have to definitely find the average. You have to divide by 4. So after dividing by 4, you have to find for 8500. So no shortcuts to be used here, right? So last question. Expense of the boy traveling is approximately what percentage of the expense on the fees? It's just we have to find what percentage. X is what percentage of y? X by y into 100. So expense of traveling. So traveling is how much? 13% divided by expense on fees. So fees is how much? 31%. So into 100. So 1300 divided by 31. 4 times 120. 6 times 60, right? So approximate answer is that yes, they have given an approximate, right? So we can say 42% because 41 something. So we can go with 42% approximately. So expense of the boy traveling is approximately what percentage? So we can say that approximately answer will be 42%, right? So friends, finally we have solved the next 5 set of data interpretation on this video, that is part 2 video on Target-100 series. So make sure to watch all the remaining videos as well. So next 5 sets and another 5 sets. So totally I will be planning to give you 20 sets on data interpretation, which is important for the bank exams, right? So make sure to watch and make sure to learn and practice. So if you have a proper strategy, then clearing the exam will be very, very easy and simple, right? You don't want to work hard. Just 5 hours or 3 hours a day is enough to crack the exam. But in 3 hours, you should work a little bit smarter, right? So surely you can able to clear the exams. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. And in case if I have did anything wrong while solving, so please make sure to mention in the comment section so that students, those who are watching this video, can understand that what is the mistakes that I have done, because I don't have any answers, the complete answers I don't have, only the final options I have. So in case if I did any mistake, kindly mention in the comment section. If you really like this video, make sure to share to your friends, those who are preparing for the bank exams. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.